to say this is our first cup of the morning, and you just brought it like an angel. Cheers.
Seconds
we all
ago.
need this.
It has been a very, very long morning, and there's been a lot of outpouring of thoughts and support. So let's get to entertainment and some of the support and thoughts coming in from some celebrities this morning.
You got it. In lieu of our regular entertainment pack, we want to share some of the responses that, of course, gone viral. For example, Shawn Mendes, who grew up in Pickering, says, "All my love to Toronto, heartbreaking."
Please listen very carefully to a man who always has the right words, Commander Hetfield. My heart goes out to all the victims of one person's despicable actions. One person's despicable actions. Care for the injured families and friends if you can. Thank you, Commander.
Said. To put that in perspective, Alberta rockers Nickelback, they tweeted, "Toronto, any words we could offer that would attempt to delude you from the grief and pain of a tragedy so senseless and overwhelming would be weak and fruitless. Our thoughts are with those affected and their families, first responders, and a beautiful, vibrant, and caring city that we love."
Oscar winner Patricia Arquette tweeting, "Toronto, such horrible news. Thank God for the speed and dedication of first responders. I am so sad for the witnesses, families, and victims of this selfish act."
The Blue Jays' own Marcus Stroman wrote, "World is becoming scarier by the second. Should never have to question whether going outside for a walk is a bad idea or not. Prayers to Toronto."
All right, and my thoughts and my prayers go out to the media as well, who have to cover this and sometimes see things firsthand as well. Now, I'm not just talking about City. I'm talking about all our friends across Global, CBC, CTV, whatever. Our thoughts go to you.
They're very
right
much
now,
processing while they're communicating information that's tough for them as human beings on the front lines. And with more on that, here's Melanie Ng.